Right here, guys. Now here we are actually inside the Robben Islands boat. It's a big boat. Big boat. It's actually we just took. As you can see, there's a lot of shaking because of the boat is going. A lot of things, a lot of things, it's happening. Such a wonderful experience, sometimes you go out, see how things are, and so forth. We've just left Cape Town. We are heading to Robben Island. Right? Everyone here is actually taking some glimpse, as you can see there. Right? It's a wonderful experience. Right. Right, it's such a very good place. Right. So inside here, it's the boat. As you can see, everyone just sitting outside. Such a wonderful experience. The thing is shaking. Shaking. Yeah, I'm going down. I'm going down. I'm going down, yeah. Yeah, I won't fall, my man. Yeah, 100%. Okay, no problem, I won't fall. I can see the brother is a bit worried about me. Okay, so as you can see here, we're all heading to the everyone is just doing themselves. It's shaky, baby.
Huh?
It's shaky. Alright, so now we actually are going out of the road. So now we are actually approaching the prison. It's where Nelson Mandela was. Actually, that's where Nelson Mandela was. As you can see, there is a boat. All right. So everyone is actually coming out from there. It's actually going to the. We are. Yeah, these are all tourists, guys. These are all tourists. We are actually in here. All right. Where's our family?
Yeah.
All right. So we're all supposed to sit here, and so we can wait for instructions. As you can see here, it says first prisoners arriving in Robben Island in 1962. Right. First prisoners arriving on Robben Island in 1962. Right. So these are all, as you can see, all this, yeah, this is the island, guys. This is the island. Right. So we're all here, gathered together here with the tourists.
Let's read the rules before we go.
Go on here. Okay. We just want to see the rules, guys. We just want to see the rules. Okay. Say, please exercise caution around the water bodies, bridges, jetties, buildings, and walkways, as the use thereof is entirely at your own risk. The council and management of the Robben Island Museum shall not be held liable for any damage, loss, theft, injury, accident, or death suffered by any person, howsoever cost.
It helped me just
Wow. So you are on your own. Actually, you're on your own. Right. This is how it is, guys. Wonderful place, wonderful scenes. Right. Let me quickly actually take so I can show you guys because of. Hey, Baba, can I go that side?
No, thank you.
Are you not allowed? Oh, okay. Oh, all right. So I wanted to go to the side, so they're saying that I'm not allowed to go to the side. So we'll actually end up here. All right. So, all right. Hey guys, let's go quickly. All right, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Today I decided, let me just take a tour I took a tour. We are actually at Robben Island. This is the boat of Robben Island. As you can see, I'm just waiting for you guys can see actually, now there is a boat, right? There is a boat, as you can see there, Robben Island. Robben Island is a boat. That's where we are, right? All right. So now